Hi, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to remove the first three characters from a particular cell in Excel. Suppose if we select cell number A2, here we have the first three characters which are 009. Now if I want to remove those characters, I have to select the B2 cell where I want the results to come out. Now I have to place the function, which is replace A2, 1, 3, null. Now I'll explain how this works. The replace function works with the arguments, where the first argument states the cell that you want to work with. The second argument starts with the number or the particular position of the character that you want to work with, which is 1 or 0 in this case. The number of characters you want to replace is stated in the third argument, which is 3. So the first three characters are going to be replaced, and then the fourth argument states what you're going to replace it with. So in this case it's null. So if I press enter over here, the results will be shown. The first three characters are gone and we are left with the results. So that's the first procedure. Now let's move on to the next one. Suppose in 010 Katie Allison, in cell number A3, I want to remove the first three characters. Then I would like to go to the data tab, then go to text to columns under the data tools group. When I select it, I have to check fixed with. Then I have to press next. Now notice the black line over here. I need to drag it straight to the beginning where the first three characters end, and then I have to press next. As you can see, the first three characters have already been selected. I can select the latter one or select the first one. I need to select the first one, which covers the black area. Then I have to press finish. As you can see, the results are provided and the first three characters has been removed. Thank you. That would be all for now.